Hello everyone, I welcome you all in my new project. My name is MD Wazula Opu. You are seeing it from Opu Art. This is the old railway bridge. As you can see here, this is from the Substance Painter, fully game ready assets. So I just create the section of it. You can see here the span here, and there are two types of column. This is the one column, the first one, and the extension, the column extension here, and also one of the vertical column. As you can see here, this is a bit angle. So yeah, and you can have a railway line segment or a section. You can you can expand the railway line. So, and I have also created the segment of the bridge. So this is the one-way bridge, this one, the one, and the double way. This is the two-way, the left and right side. I mean the both-way bridge. So the material I used is kind of looking good, kind of a old rusty building. You can see some roughness or bumpness here, as you can see from the substance, and this will be quite good looking in the Unity and Unreal. So I will show this new asset in Unreal and Unity. So as you can see, so the users can expand this bridge. They can, according to their needs, they can expand, and they can modify this according to their needs. They can use it horizontally, they can use it, or even they want to use it in a mountain kind of thing, so they can use. So it can be a ramp, kind of a small railway, or a big railway bridge. It's up to them. They can use it in a single row, or they can use it in a double row like this. Okay, so the segments are actually very simple segments. This is a bridge rail line, bridge span, bridge angle, pillar extension, and pillar vertical. So 1 2 3 4 5, so total of 5 texture set. So I hope you are already enjoying this one, and you will like the other two segments, that is from the Unity, and from the last one is from the Unreal. So as you can see, the oldness is actually there. So I keep in mind that that this is a old rusty, very old railway bridge, that's a kind of an abandoned bridge, or yeah, something like that. So it will be a very good fit. I think it will be a very good fit in creating that kind of environment. So I'll see you in Unity. Thank you very much. Hello everyone. This is the second part of the old railway bridge. So I welcome you all in the second part, that means from the Unity. So as you can see, the bridge is in the Unity. So this is Unity HDRP. You can see here. So I use a small plane, I mean the floor plane, and the assets. So you can find here the old bridge prefab sections. So these are the prefab sections that you can use it. You can bring it directly from the asset drawer or asset folder, and you can use it. Then you will have here the actual FPX, and this is the material. So the 5 materials is here: 1 2 3 4 5 texture sets of 5 materials. And also you can find here the textures. The textures are all 4K, and they are non-compressed texture. So they are actually for the HDRP, Unity HDRP. It's not from the regular template. So I actually don't use the regular template anymore. I use the HDRP. So you can see, and I use a little bit of post processing. I can see the full extent view. So yeah, this is, you can see here from here, this. So from the ground level, the bridge will look like this kind of section. So as you can see here, the weightiness and the roughness is there. So yeah, so the material is working so nice actually. So it's looking so great. So the roughness is there, and also this section, as you can see, so the oldness is there, and a bit bumpness is there. So it's the concrete bumpness is there. So yeah. So in the game section, so if the post processing and all that is correct, so the game in the game, the bridge will look like this, and you see the shyness is coming from the rail line. That is awesome. And you see in between this is the wood texture of the rail line, and the underneath the rail line, the roughness of the each deck is looking awesome also. So yeah, this asset you can use it in a third person or RTS game. It's okay, but you can use it also in a first person game, no problem, no issue. It will be a good fit for every environment. So yeah, so this is from the Unity. So this is from the shader. If I go for the shader and wireframe, so you can see the minimum use of the, this is very low poly asset. So there will be no issue to set in a game environment. Any game environment, this will be a good fit. So very simple geometry, very simple, completely simple geometry, as you can see here. Yeah. So I am actually working on this kind of old structure, and of course in a modular way. So I hope you are enjoying this one. You like this one. So yeah, and this is the second part completing. If you need this asset, you just connect with me, and I use a little bit of post processing as always. So thank you very much. Hello everyone. This is the last part, third and last part of the old railway bridge project. So you are seeing it from the Unreal Engine 5.3. As you can see here, this is looking so great actually. So if you see on the drawer, you can see the FBX file, the actual FBX file, and also the texture. All the textures are ready for the 5 materials, and the materials are here. So the material section is here. So the materials are like this. Okay. So you can see I use the human figure, the mannequin figure, for the size comparison. You can see you can compare the actual size of the project, as I can maximize the view so that you can have a better look of this. So you can see you are clearly seeing the roughness and the bumpness and the oldness is there, and also the weightiness of the whirl in this section. So this is looking so good actually, from my point of view actually. The underneath of the rail line is a kind of a the oldness is there, and the shyness of the rail line, as you can see here, the shyness of the rail line is here. So yeah, and I use a simple texture for the ground level, and if I go the underneath of the bridge, so it's looking like this. So yeah, it's looking great. So you can use this in a 3 format of the game. I mean the RTS, the third person, and also even in a first person game you can use it. So imagine this is a long bridge in the forest, and kind of a rusty locomotive or a train is moving, so something like that. So yeah, so you have to construct, as it's a modular pack, you have to construct the bridge according to your needs, and you have to build your environment. So yeah, so this asset has a vertical column also. This one, the vertical column, and also the straight. So if you need the bridge, you can construct in a vertical way, like an angle way, the 45 angle or 30-degree angle, and the station and that thing. So it's a kind of I wanted a look for kind of a rustness and an old abandoned look. So I think I got it, but not too much perfect. But yeah, for now it's okay for the RTS and low poly games. It's okay, I think. So guys, goodbye for me. I hope you enjoyed this one, and you like this project, and keep in touch with me. I'll come again with another project, and I hope you enjoy this one. And if you need this one, this will be available in my asset store, and you can contact with me. Please contact with me. You can text with me. You can know what about the project, or if you need any help for a custom asset design or thing, you can contact with me. I work as a freelancer sometimes. Most of the times I work as a freelancer, so I can help you with your assets and your project design, no problem. So you can contact with me. I'll be glad to help you and support my channel, support my YouTube channel and Facebook channel. So thank you very much. Thank you. I'll be available in next project. Thank you.